If you want to go here, guys, just follow and please watch this video. So, first, ride on MTR to Diamond Hill, then exit C2, yung lalabasan nyo. Go to exit C2. Then, find the bus station, which is, you ride at bus number 92. Yan, with my friends. And then, syempre, piliin nyo yung upper ng bus. Then, get off at the Sai Kung Town Hall. And then, after getting off the Sai Kung Town Hall, then, diretso lang kayo, baba lang, guys. And then, yan. I think nasa $19 din ang pamasahe dyan. Then, diretso lang, guys. And then, find the McDonald's around the area. Then, you can see the white bus, the 29R. Sakay lang kayo dyan. Medyo agahan nyo lang, guys, kasi I think every 30 minutes yung bus, yung white bus. Then, marami kasing namamasyal doon. And then, you pay $19 Hong Kong dollar. Another 19 Hong Kong dollar. Yan. So, $19 dun sa big bus and $19 also sa the white bus, which is 92R. Then, get off the last bus stop. So, hindi ka mawawala kasi last bus stop siya. Then, paglingon-lingon mo lang, then, hanapin mo yung signboard ng Sai-Wan Village, then turn left. And then, first view is this one, diba? Nag-emote si lola mo. Papakuha ka ng video ko pagalit. And then, dalawa kasi yung pupuntahan namin, guys. So, dumiretso muna kami dun sa may Sai-Wan Village, then Sai-Wan Beach. Kasi nga, tawag nito. Balikan na lang namin yung Kam-Kyu Shekteng na area para minsanan. So, marami kang mapupuntahan. But, be careful, guys. Kasi nga, tawag nito, mapapagod ka lang din talaga. And then, magdala kayo ng more water, more food. Kasi puro stairs naman. So, yung pagpunta mo ng Sai-Wan Village and then Sai-Wan, you see? The view at the top. Maraming magaganda dyan, guys. So, yan. Diretso ka lang. Hindi ka mawawala. Ganyan.
May tuktok pa.
Diba? Enjoying the moment habang nagpapahinga. Yan, makakapunta ka ng Sai-Wan Village.
Hindi naman picture to eh. Video naman.
Maganda din dyan, guys. Malapit lang yung beach dyan. So, around 5 minutes walk. Diretsuhin mo lang yan. Madadaanan mo na yung...
Saan sila niya outing?
Mararating mo na yung Sai-Wan Beach. And this is it. The Sai-Wan Beach. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa videos, guys, mas maganda pa yan sa personal. Maganda na sa video, maganda pa sa personal. So, then go back after Sai-Wan Beach, kasi medyo pahapon na. Papunta na kami ng Kam-Kyu Shekteng. And that's the last view, the Kam-Kyu Shekteng. So, enjoy nyo lang, guys. Enjoy. You only live once. So, enjoy always the view. Travel more. And thank you for watching. So, yan. Medyo mahirap, guys. Be careful lang kayo dyan, ha. Kasi, talagang pababa yan. So, enjoy. Salamat sa panonood ng aking video. If you have some question, then feel free to message me anytime, anywhere. I'll answer all those questions. No. Hindi ka mawawala, guys. Madali lang siya. Yan. So, yan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Ako din, Tia. Videohan mo din ako papunta doon.
Okay, go.
Tsaka picture.